doing out here?
I don't know. I just kind of needed to take a step back from all that.
Yeah, it's definitely too much back there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's the necklace I gave you.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm still here.
Can I say something?
Yeah, of course.
It's her last day in this house, and why am I just getting the courage to talk to you?
Maybe it's the mood. I don't know. It's just the two of us. It's our last day, right? I don't know.
Okay, I'm just gonna say it.
Go ahead.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
Go ahead.
I don't appreciate what you did.
I know.
So you know.
Yes, of course I know.
Why didn't you say anything?
Because what am I supposed to say to that? Sorry that you thought I was leading you on? Even though in reality I thought that we were just best friends? Even if we wanted to go further, I couldn't. You're my brother's ex.
I know it's not a pick and choose situation, but it feels like you chose him over me.
If we're gonna talk about a pick and choose situation, it feels like that you repicked me over him.
So what, am I just making things up? You can't tell me that you didn't feel those things that night.
We can't. It's weird.
No, it's not.
It's incestuous.
It's not.
Lana.
Maybe you're the one that doesn't get it. I mean, isn't it normal to just have these feelings, to feel emotions, to be human? It's okay to want someone, but I think you're just a human, Barry. I want you to be completely honest with me when I ask this. Throughout our entire relationship, were you ever in love with me?
Lana, of course I love you.
Don't do that. Not like that. Not your pity.
Okay then. I want you to be completely honest when I ask you this. After this conversation, am I going to lose my best friend? Or am I just another victim? You waiting around for your boy best friend?
Barry.
Just because it's platonic doesn't mean it's not special. I don't want to sit here and invalidate how you feel. But I mean what I said. But I'm also sorry that I said it. I'm confused too, okay?
Look, I know there's nothing you can do, but I need you to know that I really did feel something, a connection. I mean, I've never felt this way for someone. It's just everything we've been through together. When it was just us, it was different. I thought you were different.
Yeah. Well, so did I. Listen, I can't do this right now. We should go inside.